So there are four procedures: the insertion of NGT, garbage feeding, medication and feeding, and luggage, gravity, drainage, and then flushing and elevation, and removal termination of the NGT. So first, we will do the 12 sequence.
Can you read first the physician's order?
Physician's order from 8 a.m. give 180 cc as your practice of feeding through NGT, rice feeding through the NGT and 6 hours flush every cc.
I cannot do what my every. Here, no NGT every
6 hours. Flush 1 to 30 cc mineral water before and after feeding. Administer medicine amlodipine 10 mg with 1 tub OD80, and then amoxicillin amoxiclav 500 mg 1 cup. PID, then paracetamol 1 cup UC, then PRN for temperature 38 above.
Integral yung kasi the patient's temperature is 38.5. You have to give paracetamol. Okay, so what's the action of amlodipine? Amlodipine,
So,
10 milligrams.
500 milligrams,
10. That's only 10.
10
Amlodipine, ang stock na amlodipine is only 5 and 10 milligrams. So what's the action of amlodipine?
So,
Action. Indication for what? That is antihypertensive, no? Antihypertensive. If the patient is having heavy pain, parang binaka. What's OD? What do you mean by OD? OD. Capital O, capital D. What do you mean by that? Stands for once a day.
once a day.
AC. What's the meaning of AC? Ano ba? AC.
CCM, antisebum
Antisebum or antisebum given before meals. Antisebum or to be given before meals. Ang PC is
Colsibum after meals.
or the medication should be given after meals.